Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2008 Mitsubishi 380 SX, stock reference number 4138. This shape runs from the 9th month 2005 through to the 3rd month 2008. It has a 6G75 3.8 litre V6 petrol engine backed by an automatic front wheel drive transmission. 6G75 3.8 litre V6 petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the rear end. We have the bonnet, which has 2 small dents, right hand headlight, right hand fog light with surround, left hand fog light with surround, left hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with factory 17-inch alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. We have the left power door mirror. Left front door has 1 small dent, as does the left rear door. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. The rear bar reinforcement. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has 3 small dents. Right front door appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror. Right front guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black vinyl centre console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, factory 6-stack CD player, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.